Hello, everybody. Welcome back to Wish, and today something extra special for you. Popatino's bonus sequence event, spectacular. Okay, some things to clear up first. Look right here. Age 1,145. That is well over 18. 1,145. Go ahead. Read it. Pause it. Read it again. There it is. That was the intro. 1,145 years old. That's all I gotta say. Soma mumbles to himself, holding up the map he bought from the underground market. The guy who sold him the map told him to go this way, saying it is a shortcut. But the shortcut is where Soma has been wasting the whole half of the day wandering. Soma imagines how he will exact revenge, as he worries about the guy... that is very English sentence. As he worries about the guy gave him the wrong information, Soma grinds his teeth frustratingly, walking onwards. As he kept walking, a shadow began to appear far ahead. On a small table there, Soma curiously looks intently at who may be sitting behind the table. A small figured somebody covered in black cloth was reading people's destiny. It was impossible to tell what sort of being the psychic was from the black cloth covering the whole body. Soma rushes ahead, walking past the psychic.
そんなに急ぐ理由は何かな？一緒に旅をする仲間たちは心配していないか？
How did you know?
はは、これぐらいは簡単なこと。あんたの目指す場所がいかに危険な場所か。また、そこで死ぬ可能性があることも、私は全部見抜いているよ。
You have some sharp clarity. Well, am I going in the right direction?
そうだね。おそらく明日の朝にはたどり着くんじゃないかと思うよ。
Who are you? With such skill and insight, you don't seem to be someone who would just simply be reading people's fate somewhere like here.
私が誰かと聞いたにゃんね。
Meow?
驚いたか。みんなのペット、ポポティーノだにゃん。
What? Popatino? How? Why are you here?
ふっふっふ。世の中のすべてのところに聞く耳があり、見る目があるにゃん。
That means you were following me from the start?
それがメモ一つのみ残していったやつの言うセリフにゃん。他の子たちがいかに心配したのか、あんたは知らないのかにゃん。
I apologize.
大丈夫にゃ。私も会うために来ただけにゃし。もう帰るにゃんよ。あまり気にしなくていいにゃ。その代わり、むやみに命を投げ出すのはダメにゃん。エリカが本当に心配しながら待ってるにゃんから。
Okay, I'll keep that in mind, for sure. Ha.
それでいいにゃん。さてと。
Okay, here we go. What are you doing, step cat?
コンコン。
Why are you pulling my pants down? Oh, and also, Popatino, what is that tattoo on your belly?
当たり前のことをなぜ聞くにゃん？交尾するからだにゃん。他の言葉では、セックスって言うにゃん。
Let's have sex meow. Also, I didn't know they had the Discovery Channel in this era that we are currently in.
この陰謀のおかげで、オスの精液をいくら受けても妊娠はしないから心配しないでいいにゃん。
Oh, dude, I need that tattoo so I don't get pregnant. Pregnant? Wait, Popatino.
にゃふふ。もう何年も抱かれてなかったから、またにクモの巣ができるほどだったにゃ。今までの男は私と交尾をした後はみんな逃げ出すんだにゃん。 それでとても退屈だったんやけど。そうま、あんたの断交は私の想像以上にすっごく素晴らしいにゃん。
What the?
にゃ、すでにこんなに大きくなってるなんて驚いたにゃん。さあ、あんたも見ているだけでは面白くないにゃんね。
Poputino.
女性を待たせるのは失礼だにゃん。さあ、私のあちこちをおいしく舐め回してにゃん。
All right. We have the tongue and the hand option. Please less head patter. Still not yet. Maybe the ears?
そこは
Oh, we can!
そこは
Finally!
ダメだにゃん。そこはダメだにゃん。
The tail, maybe. Oh,
ちゃ
yeah.
んとしろにゃん。
There we go.
ちゃんとしろにゃん。
Thighs? Nice.
にゃん。
Okay.
思ったより気持ちよくないにゃん。
Let's bring out the tongue on the ears, maybe? Oh, yeah. Can we lick the tail? Yes, we can.
思ったより気持ちよくないにゃん。
Okay. Bring out the tongue again. Oh, wait, the armpit. Yo. Yes! Let's go. Finally.
ちょっと待つにゃ。今はダメにゃ。これ、なんにゃん。こんなこと初めてだにゃん。
Dad, I want a cat. What kind? Send him this video. A little head pat action again. Nice. Hand holding? Not yet. Not till marriage.
背中がゾクゾクする。ちょっと待つにゃ。今はダメにゃ。ダメにゃ。今おかしいにゃ。体が敏感すぎにゃ。
By the way, 1,145 years old if you forgot. All right. Let's bring out the flaming hot Cheeto. Can we Cheeto her ear? Wait, how do we have electricity? She just said she doesn't like electrical things. Oh, like this is so inconsistent with the story. I feel like this is probably the moneymaker for the game. Abigail's budget definitely was there. Like she probably made up like 90%, but like this is a step up for sure because they added in the armpit section, the tail, the ears. Okay, head pats are gone now.
全身がせかったいんだ。ダメにゃ。今おかしいにゃ。体がけかいか。
I noticed we only have 30 point options here.
ちょっと待つにゃ。今はビリビリするのは嫌いにゃにょに。ビリビリするのは嫌いにゃにょに。下半身
Alright, finish it off with the armpit. 'Satisfied Elfwood Union President. That's probably my favorite achievement so far that we've unlocked. Cute but nasty. That's a pretty good achievement as well. All right, let's go on to the next portion of her after scene. You naughty little cat. Who's 1,145 years old, by the way. Look at your saliva all over your clumsy face. Did that feel that good?
気持ちいいにゃ。最高だったにゃ。
Is that so? Should I now make you feel good with this?
にゃ。さっきよりももっと大きくなったにゃ。
We can stop now if you are too frightened. It's your choice.
にゃ。変なことを聞くにゃんね。そりゃあ当然。続けるにゃ。
I pre-jacked on that one, skipped the line. Yeah? Then put your legs up and beg for it.
にゃ。そうま。あんたの性格、ちょっと変わった気がするにゃん。
Do it. Now.
そうまが怖いにゃん。じゃあこうするにゃん。あたしの興奮した濡れ濡れになった穴を早くいっぱいズブズブってしてほしいにゃん。
Perhaps.
これ、なんにゃん。にゃ。そうま、あんたの性格、ちょっと変わった気がするにゃん。そうまが怖いにゃん。じゃあこうするにゃん。あたしの興奮した濡れ濡れになった穴を早くいっぱいズブズブってしてほしいにゃん。
I don't know why she keeps talking about persona, point number 1. Point number 2, our wiener seems to be changing skin tones constantly.
やっぱりオスのこれは最高だにゃ。コビコビ。
All right.
体の奥が熱くてとろけそうだにゃ。
Our form seems to be off today. We're not really getting the 100s like we used to.
届いて深すぎるにゃ。
Also, she's 1,145 years old. Just a reminder.
もっと強く打ちつけても大丈夫にゃ。あにゃ。
There's a 100.
奥にいっぱいお腹がパンパンになったにゃ。
Oh, there's a 100. There we go.
これ何度もされると癖になりそうにゃん。お腹がズンズンされるたびに頭がおかしくなっちゃうにゃん。
Oh, whoa. Look at all those 100s. Oh my goodness.
奥が私の中変わってしまうにゃん。熱い奥が熱くなってもう耐えられないにゃん。
Meow. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of coom, if you ask me. My goodness. That was probably the most coom we've had so far. Out of the 6 girls that we have finessed, as the kids say. Again, I always like to do a little recap. Erica, sweet hand-holding vanilla action. Natria, we got the titty job. Tyr had her phone and was Tyr. Verkno, the feet. Abigail, things got really weird. We had sentient plants that we controlled with telepathy, and we had lightning power, and it was wild. But then, Popatino, who is 1,145 years old, I will remind you, brought out the armpits, the head pats, and the tail. I mean, what else can you ask for? I think she is in first place at this point. I can only imagine what Remriel, the dragon girl, and Diodora, the final, the boss, the one who supports Palestine. I don't know if I can say that actually. Yeah, this will be interesting to say the least. The last 2 girls of the Wish franchise. So, I hope you enjoyed today's head patting, tail action extravaganza. Do me 4 favors: like, comment, subscribe, and as always, help me find a girlfriend. And bye bye.